Changing your password on YouTube TV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Open the YouTube TV app or website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Click on it to find the Password Management section. Step 4. Change password. In the Security section, you will see an option to change your password. Click on it, then enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Click on the Save or Update button to finalize the change. Now your YouTube TV password has been successfully changed. Remember to update any saved passwords in your devices or browsers to avoid login issues.